Hey, Mark Greene here from Covercraft for canine seat covers with a model here who's being very unruly. Dirt and mud and dog hair, you just throw them in the washing machine. Warden, you're crazy. You're just crazy. Yes, you are. You're on camera, dude. You're supposed to. Velcro attachment. You like that? Hey, what is that? Yeah. Keep them in one place in your vehicle. Help! Why did I think this was going to go smooth today? I don't know why. Okay, I think that's the best we're going to do. We tried. Hey, Mark Greene from Cars Yeah for Covercraft here. Today we're going to talk about even more that Covercraft has to offer. They're a lot more than just car covers, or in this case of this beautiful Raptor, truck covers. They also make seat covers. Now in this case, pet designed seat covers. These are just specifically for your pets. You know, pets are really a part of our family and we love to take them everywhere we go, but they can be really destructive on the inside of your vehicle. And these days, the insides of these trucks like this Raptor have really nice finishes. They have a lot of carbon. They have a lot of even leather interiors that those dogs' claws can really damage. So this protects your seats from all those things. They're machine washable, which means you don't have to care how much dirt or oil or mud is on your dog when it jumps in the back of the car, or your kids, or your mother-in-law, or whoever else might be back here. They've got a nice padding underneath so that the seats are really comfortable for whoever's back here. They go up the back of your seats. They have Velcro, so if you've got split seats, you can put one seat down, keep one seat up. You can put one of those trunk savers on there to protect the platform and still have your seat covers on here. They're great. Covercraft pet covers, they make all sorts of different kinds you can look into and get. And of course, their regular seat covers come in a variety of colors. And also, they've got these door guards. The doors are important too because the dog likes to look out the window and climb up on there, and that protects the finishes there. Really nice. They just slide down into the cracks where the windows go. Easy to put in. Throw them in the washing machine. Keep them clean. Covercraft, they've got your pet covered, so check them out. Subscribe, hitting the button down here. Hit the bell too so I can keep bringing you these car care tips. I'm Mark Greene from Cars Yeah for Covercraft. They've got you covered. Where'd the dog go? Uh-oh.